was falling, not in a metaphorical sense, but a literal one. What if an asteroid, say, the size of the Eiffel Tower, was on a collision course with Earth? Imagine this scenario for a moment. In our vast universe, we have a guest, asteroid 99942 Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos. This celestial body, wider than the Eiffel Tower is tall, is scheduled to make several close passes to our home planet. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the asteroid in the sky. The initial estimates gave a small chance of Apophis hitting Earth in 2029. Although this estimate has been revised, the threat isn't entirely off the table. In fact, the asteroid's orbit is shifting, and there is still a 1 in 380,000 chance of impact by 2068. It's easy to dismiss this as a mere possibility, a distant threat that doesn't warrant immediate attention. But remember, we're talking about an asteroid with the potential to release 50 times the energy of the Tunguska blast, and 60 times the energy of the Tsar Bomba explosion. It's not just a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a real, albeit distant, possibility. But have you ever thought about its economic implications? An asteroid impact would be catastrophic, no doubt, but it would also significantly disrupt the global economy. Let's imagine for a moment the asteroid 99942 Apophis collides with our planet. The immediate physical destruction would be monumental, but the long-term effects on the global economy could be just as devastating. In the wake of such an event, the cost of rebuilding infrastructure alone would be astronomical. We're not just talking about buildings, roads and bridges, but also power plants, communication networks, and other critical systems that keep our societies functioning. Further, the loss of life could lead to a significant contraction in the global workforce, reducing production capacity and disrupting supply chains. This, in turn, could lead to a sharp increase in the prices of goods and services, triggering a global economic recession or even a depression. Moreover, the asteroid impact could disrupt global trade, especially if it were to hit one of the world's major shipping lanes or ports. This could lead to a sharp drop in global trade volumes, further exacerbating economic woes. But it's not all doom and gloom. While the economic fallout would be significant, there are measures we can take to mitigate the impact. While we can't stop an asteroid from hitting the Earth, we can prepare for it. Mitigation strategies are crucial in this preparation. Early detection systems, for instance, provide us with the necessary lead time to evacuate high-risk areas and safeguard our infrastructure. Advances in technology enable us to monitor near-Earth objects closely and predict potential impacts with increasing accuracy. Preparing evacuation plans is another key mitigation strategy. Having these plans in place can save countless lives and significantly reduce the impact on human societies. Moreover, investing in infrastructure resilience is equally important. This involves strengthening our buildings, transport networks, and utilities to withstand an asteroid impact. However, none of these strategies can succeed in isolation. Global cooperation is paramount. Countries need to share information, resources, and expertise to prepare for such a scenario effectively. It's also crucial that we invest in scientific research to improve our understanding of asteroids and develop effective countermeasures. This is not just about surviving an asteroid impact, it's about preserving our economies and way of life. So, while the sky isn't falling just yet, it's worth considering the economic impact if it did. After all, the best time to prepare for a disaster is before it happens.